We have an old maple tree in our front garden that has had a large limb removed several years ago. Recently, we had the tree trimmed and the arborist filled the space with foam to protect the tree. Today, some years later, I noticed ants around the foam, so I decided to remove the foam and I discovered an ant's nest. I stopped removing the foam when I noticed the nest and I left them alone for several hours to move their eggs. When I returned, the ants and their eggs were all gone, so I removed the remainder of the foam. Hopefully the queen and the worker ants have relocated their colony.